Nice to meet you guys again and welcome to 1 PM Founders. Today we're gonna see how to grab APK and automate project ID, these things to Firebase to our project. Okay, I don't want to speak that much more time. Let's see how to add. First, you should go to this website console.firebase.google.com, and after that you should log in with your email id. Okay, email id or google id, anything you can log in with. This is what I just log in. Just go to first get started by setting up firebase project. Give your name spoteye. My app name is spoteye, so I'll give it like this. You can give anything. Just enable Gemini and Firebase recommended. You can turn it on or turn it off. Anything. Enable Google Analytics for this project. Anything. Just like this default account of Firebase, or you can use your create your new account. No matter. Okay. So it took just 10 seconds. Yeah. Guys, actually, it's very simple to add your APK and automate these like things. You can add it very easily. It's very easy things. Let me teach you first. Just click continue, and you guys now have a project like this spot. This is Gemini. Just go where it is. Just go add app. You guys can if you guys building for app for iOS, you can click iOS, or building for Android, you can click Android or web or Unity is for game. And if you guys building a Flutter app, just click the Flutter this. I'm gonna use the web. Wait 1 second. Yeah. What I just register this app first. Guys, I'm recording this video on 7:46 a.m. Guys. Okay, just first copy this and go to CMD. Just run this. Okay, I found zero vulnerabilities, which means I have already have this package. Now you can see these credentials that are in the how do I tell you? These credentials are what you're gonna use. Okay, just copy this and go to there. Click like this and give it like this. Yeah, now it's all ready. Click next, and after that, go to npm install g5 tools. Click Windows R, command cmd, yes, and give it to the terminal window. It takes so much time. God, it's using 85% of memory. God. Now you get these like things. After that, click on next, and you can deploy now or later, no matter what. Just go to terminal or go to terminal window. Just go to there and click Firebase login. Wait, cd this. Uh, Wait, yes. How can I add this? So you must download Google services. Oh, it said it automated a step for me. First, this app will created Firebase.json. Where okay, Firebase.json I created dot fire secret. Yeah, think super. Oh, it links my project. Oh, I see. Okay. Next step, I'll run the notable website files, and then you will need to run npx Firebase login and npx host. Okay. Uh, the next steps. Guys, now you can skip that, guys, because it's automatically auto. Yeah, see, you just have this dashboard. You can see the this daily active users and one day intention and these like things you can see in this platform. Guys, I'm building this app for my own company. Okay, I just told you I'm a solopreneur and I'm just recently starting a small company. It's called that name called PS Technologies. So I'm just building a simple app for that. So without that, which means I'm just creating an app that will provide something for the client, so they can know that there are one company, there are one startup that is exist in this world. That it's a small, very small company. That name called PS Technologies. So it's easy to do, but as a solopreneur, I can't do it alone. Okay, I just need someone to technically good. But actually, what my biggest fault is, I should build networking among people since they're in my college, but I just lost that. I mean, I just lost that opportunity. Now my college is ending after the yeah me no after the March my college will probably end. So I don't think I can build it long lastly for this using only AI. Web build is complete. Now, if you are not already logged in, it's a terminal, right? First, I should log in that. I should choose this. I should choose this account. God, you see, Firebase CLI login successful. Now just close this window and go to there, and you can see like this. Next, CLS series spot now MPX Firebase. Oh, wait. I should do what kind of like this. I should download it. I should download it and paste it on the root folder. That name got your Google service.json. How can I get this? Okay, sorry about that, guys. Guys. Oh God, this is ridiculous. Select your project and go to project overview, project settings, project overview, what it means, project settings, general. Yeah, adapt to Android. Control. This is how we should enable this name and what is the app names, what key for Android. It's an optional one, so I think we can close this. Okay, next register this app, download and then add config file. In the Google Sign in such a leave blank. Now you can add a select for Google Sign not contact permanent. Click register app, download the JSON file and paste on this link. Now click on next. Okay, let me add this. No, no, see. No spot where here. Google service.json. Just go to documents, click on projects, click on Spotify, and now I should paste it in there. Yeah, it comes. You guys will see. After that, click next, and you don't need to add HTML. Export handles that. Okay, just great. That's great, really. Okay, click on next and continue to console. Yeah, we just added the Android key, right? Now, once the add some portfolio, we also add, but I added. So guys, this is how you can add the JSON files for Android and how to I mean how to replace the placeholders inside of your a real API key. And you guys now learned how to create an how to create an Firebase applications and how to replace the API keys, right? Okay, this is what all about this video. And